The BRICS is the most significant and potent economic grouping in the world. This alliance has attracted attention from all across the world and is changing how the global financial environment operates. With its combined might, the BRICS alliance is positioned to have a significant impact on how future geopolitical, economic, and trade affairs are shaped. Imagine the BRICS, a formidable alliance becoming well-known, confronting long-standing economic dominance, and leading a new period of prosperity and influence. In this dynamic environment, the BRICS alliance's economic size and development potential act as the catalyst for a tectonic shift in the world economy. Prepare to delve into the depths of this economic titan and learn how it is changing the rules of the game, while grabbing the attention of the entire globe with its incredible potential and stratospheric development. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa are the original BRICS nations. The BRICS coalition also includes additional growing economies. These nations, which have sizable populations, abundant natural resources, and a variety of industries, are proud of their robust and varied economy. A powerful economic force is produced by the particular strengths, resources, and market potential of each member nation. The BRICS alliance's members have had strong rates of economic growth, which is one of the main reasons for this. Particularly in recent decades, China and India have seen significant economic growth. Infrastructure developments, industrialization, technical advancements, and an increasing middle class have all contributed to their steady progress. Despite confronting particular difficulties, Brazil, Russia, and South Africa have all shown resilience and development potential. Huge trade and investment opportunities are created by the BRICS alliance's economic heft and growth potential. Both as importers and exporters, these nations are significant participants in world trade. The alliance's members strengthen their collective bargaining power in international trade negotiations as they extend their economic links and promote intra-group commerce. The member nations' expanding investment potential also draws international direct investment, which promotes economic growth and job creation. The BRICS group contributes significantly to global GDP and market size. The economic clout of the alliance is significantly influenced by China, which has the second largest economy in the world. India, which boasts one of the world's fastest-growing economies, is closely behind it. Despite having lower GDPs than China and India, Brazil, Russia, and South Africa nonetheless exert a significant economic influence in their respective regions. Due to the member nations' combined economic heft, there are enormous consumer markets and investment prospects. Please take a moment to subscribe to our channel before we go on to the next important topic. Each member nation has made important advancements in a variety of technological fields, promoting innovation and placing the alliance as a world leader in technological advancement. The ICT sector in Brazil has expanded significantly in recent years. The number of startups in the nation has increased significantly, especially in sectors like e-commerce, financial technology, and agritech. The expansion of digital infrastructure and the focus on digital inclusion in Brazil have expedited the adoption of technology across industries. Brazil is a desirable location for technical developments and investments because of its emphasis on sustainable development and clean energy technology, which is in line with global trends. In the meantime, South Africa has become the continent of Africa's technical leader. The nation has made investments to grow its information and communications technology sector, supporting entrepreneurship and innovation. South Africa has established itself as a leader in African technical breakthroughs, thanks to its emphasis on renewable energy, smart cities, and digital connection. The nation also understands how crucial it is to use technology to promote inclusive growth and close the digital gap. Russian scientific prowess has a lengthy history, especially in industries like aerospace, defense, and nuclear energy. International acclaim has been won by the nation's accomplishments in nuclear power, advanced military technologies, and space exploration. Robotics, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology are just a few of the fields where innovation is still being driven by Russia's scientific research institutions and universities. India has made a name for itself as a major force in the global tech sector. The nation's software development and IT services-focused IT sector has made a considerable economic contribution. Fintech, e-commerce, healthcare, and education technology are just a few of the industries where India's tech entrepreneurs have made breakthroughs that have been recognized internationally. India has established itself as a center for innovation and technology developments thanks to the nation's strong emphasis on digital transformation and a big pool of skilled workers. As the alliance's largest economy, China has become a technical powerhouse on a worldwide scale. The nation has made outstanding strides in a number of industries, including renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and telecommunications. Chinese tech behemoths like Huawei, Alibaba, and Tencent are leading the way in innovation, advancing technologies like 5G networks, cloud computing, electronic payment systems, and smart cities. China has advanced to the forefront of world technology thanks to government initiatives and expenditures on R&D. The BRICS alliance exhibits outstanding technological developments and a thriving innovation culture. The alliance is technologically strong because of China's technological hegemony, India's booming tech industry, Brazil's expanding tech ecosystem, Russia's know-how, and South Africa's innovation. The BRICS alliance is poised to lead the globe in technical developments, influencing the future of industries as these member nations continue to push limits, invest in research and development, and promote collaboration. Together, the member nations have large amounts of natural resources, including as minerals, oil, gas, and agricultural goods. The alliance is positioned to play a significant role in influencing global resource markets and energy policies, thanks to their substantial resource endowment and rising energy needs. Russian supplies of oil, natural gas, coal, and minerals, including nickel, palladium, and diamonds, are among the country's abundant natural resources. The nation's energy sector, in particular its oil and gas industry, significantly influences geopolitics and contributes significantly to its economy. Due to its abundant natural resources, Russia is able to exploit its position in the world energy market and establish strategic partnerships with other nations. Brazil has enormous natural resource reserves, including niobium, bauxite, and iron ore. The nation is well known for its agricultural output and is a significant exporter of goods like meat, coffee, sugar, and soybeans. Brazil is a major player in the world's resource markets thanks to its abundant natural resources, which also considerably contribute to its economic growth. China, the second largest economy in the world and the country with the most people, has a voracious appetite for natural resources. The nation is a significant user of raw materials such as coal, iron ore, copper, and crude oil. Global demand and resource prices have been influenced by China's resource consumption. To move to a more sustainable energy mix, China has also made large investments in renewable energy, particularly in solar and wind power. The BRICS alliance acknowledges the significance of member nation energy cooperation. Collaboration on energy-related research, policy development, and technological development is facilitated through initiatives like the BRICS Energy Research Cooperation Platform. By working together, the member nations hope to improve energy security, advance energy efficiency, and look into sustainable energy options. The geopolitical ramifications of the BRICS alliance's resource wealth and energy needs are significant. The member nations have a substantial influence on the global resource markets as major producers and consumers of resources. They have the power to influence resource prices, trade deals, and energy policy through their combined voice and coordinated activities. Strategic alliances and mutual support in resource discovery, extraction, and distribution are made possible by the alliance's resource diplomacy. The BRICS alliance offers huge prospects for trade and investment that have the potential to significantly boost economic growth, open new markets, and benefit all of the participating nations. Over 40% of the global population makes up the combined market size of the BRICS alliance. For member nations, this sizable consumer base offers fantastic trading potential. Businesses can widen their customer bases, boost sales, and promote economic growth by tapping into this consumer sector. Further enhancing trade and investment opportunities is the alliance's developing middle class, which results in a rise in demand for products and services. Both domestic and foreign investors can benefit from the appealing investment prospects provided by the BRICS alliance. The member nations have concentrated on enhancing their business climates, putting in place investor-friendly regulations, and building infrastructure. These initiatives seek to entice capital to industries like manufacturing, technology, infrastructure construction, renewable energy, and finance. The alliance benefits from foreign direct investment in terms of job creation, technological transfer, and economic growth. The BRICS alliance's member nations actively take part in multilateral and regional accords that advance trade and investment. For instance, China's and Brazil's involvement in Mercosur and the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership respectively strengthens their economic ties with other economies. The alliance also works together within the framework of the World Trade Organization to promote just and equitable international trade regulations. The BRICS alliance has been actively involved in projects aimed at facilitating cross-border transactions and removing barriers in order to increase trade and investment. Promoting e-commerce, streamlining customs processes, harmonizing rules, and putting in place trade facilitation mechanisms are just a few of the initiatives being made. Member nations can increase trade efficiency and draw in more investment by streamlining procedures. Due to its abundant natural resources, technological developments, trade and investment opportunities, and dedication to sustainable development, the BRICS alliance is a significant influence in the world economy. The alliance has established itself as a strong participant on the global scene thanks to its combined power, united vision, and cooperative efforts. The alliance has the power to influence geopolitical dynamics, shape the future of global economies, and contribute to a more harmonious and wealthy world as it continues to deepen economic integration, strengthen cooperation, and realize its promise.